Hey guys, this is Mr. Hassel again with another music theory lesson. Today we are on lesson 44 of Unit 11. We're going to talk about 3/8 and 6/8 time signatures at fast tempos. Remember that 4/4, our common time, can be cut in half to 2/2 when the composer wants the music to be performed at a fast tempo. In 3/8 and 6/8 can also be performed at fast tempos. You would count each 3/8 measure in 1 and each 6/8 measure in 2. So you see here in this measure, if we were counting it slow, we would count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But if we were counting it fast, it would be 1, 2, 3, 1. You count it in 1. So 1, 1. 6/8 time, if you were counting it slow, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you could count it in 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It depends whether you're going at a fast tempo or a slow tempo. Number 1, write the strong beats below the notes in a fast tempo. So in 3/8 time, if we're going at a fast tempo, we would count it in 1. So it'd be 1, 1, 1, 1, and so on. In 6/8 time at a fast tempo, it would be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, let's clap both of those together, and I will count. Ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, 6/8 time. Ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Number 2, write the correct time signature and the strong beats below the notes at fast tempos. Okay, so this one is in 6/8 time. And if we were counting this at a fast tempo, this would be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Let's clap that together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This concludes our lesson for the day. Thank you for watching.